Guys, the road is blocked here. The road is actually blocked. Construction is going on here. Maybe that's why.
Killed our soldiers. I don't know, Speaker. These ones are talking a lot here. We need soldiers. You call yourself Commissar, you call yourself CIC, we need you there. There's people that we need you to go fight. We are tired here in Parliament of toy soldiers. We want, this is war. People are dying. You are calling yourself titles here. Go and fight. I will be one of the first to join the battalion to go and fight. Let us go and get our people, and you must follow me. Let's go and fight real fights, not these fake names of the army. I salute you. Thank you very much.
Simon Road. 10 here, guys. This is another school. I'm on my way to Parktown, guys. I need to go and solve a problem there for my customer. Be with me till the end. Guys, to be a good hustler, you need to solve problem. My dream is to solve somebody's problem so that I can make money out of that problem. Guys, look for problem and look for solution. Sort it out and make money. Just the same way that politicians solve problem with their mouth, me, on my level, I solve problem with my screwdriver. Guys, I'm going to the customer. Just like usual, we drive around and we attend to the call. Almost every day I do that. When they call, I have to attend them and see how I can solve the problem. At the moment, I'm passing Auckland Park, SABC. Yeah, guys, this is the building. You can see this is the building of SABC. The building of SABC here. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna be driving for like 15 minutes more, no, 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more, I'll be by the client. So I'll be by the client by 10 minutes.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Stanley Avenue.
So that is it.
Turn right onto Stanley Avenue.
Guys, there's something I wish I believe is that we African, we really have to open up and work for ourselves. No one will come and serve Africa. Each African, no matter where you are, you must just play your part, because no one will come and fix Africa except us. Except us. Getting to Parktown now, so I'll be definitely going this way. I want to go this way so that I can use I believe you're going to say the beauty of this road is different. Yes, it is. It's actually different because we are not in the same continent. This place is actually in South America, in Brazil, Sao Paulo. Driving in Brazil is different of driving in Africa. But to make our Africa look like this, we need to work for ourselves. We can talk less than we work. Anyway, I'm going to use my screwdriver to make some money. Otherwise, I cannot eat. Follow me till the end.
This one here? I don't know. Yeah, so that's actually a return road.
Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go. Fokou Media, c'est votre chaîne. Abonnez-vous à la chaîne, likez et partagez.
Thank you for watching Fokou Media. Guys,